So, what did you think of the intro? I just learned how to animate in Blender the other day, and for whatever reason, doing that dramatic thingy in the beginning was on the skydiving level of my bucket list. Also, when I say protect the player base, I'm not going to go into some stupid rant about EA or the Spitfire ruining the game. I'm just going to talk about the simple and probably fun thing you should do that'll spice up Titanfall. If you're a veteran or just good at the game or even average at the game, yet still bored. Using underpowered weapons or going into pilots v pilots with the charge rifle will end up killing less enemies, which obviously makes them feel better. But this isn't just about making the enemy team feel better. I am by no means good at the game, and light years away from getting bored, but using the suppressed Mozam and Wingman felt great. Yeah, sure, I ended up getting only a third of my normal kills per game, but when I hit my shots, it felt more than 3 times as rewarding, because I just killed someone with a suppressed Mozambique. Like, oh. But I'm not everyone, and maybe weaker guns feel terrible. But the next time someone complains about long queue times, it's their own fault, because you made half the players quit the game, you G100 Spitfire AWOL rooftop camper. Also, EA released the game smack in the middle between COD and I think one of the Battlefield games, but there's nothing we can do about it now. But you can do something about that Spitfire, unless you just got the game. Throw it away! Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, and here's some stuff you can do with a suppressed poop shotgun pistol and your trusty wingman.